Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The Redmi K90 Max has officially been unveiled today, and it brings something pretty unique to the table. For the first time, Redmi has introduced a built-in cooling fan that directly supports the Dimensity 9500 chipset. What's impressive is that this fan isn't just effective at keeping temperatures down, it also runs surprisingly quietly. In this video, we're diving into a hands-on look at the Redmi K90 Max and what it's like to use.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Starting with the design, the Redmi K90 Max keeps things clean and balanced. It sticks with the familiar large matrix-style camera module, but this time that space is cleverly used to house an active cooling fan. From the side, you'll notice the fan isn't tucked inside the body, but instead sits slightly raised, almost floating on the surface. Because it's not restricted by internal space, Redmi had more freedom with the design, allowing the fan to reach a diameter of 18.1 millimeters, making it the largest cooling fan ever used in a smartphone. That bigger size means stronger airflow, which directly improves cooling performance. Another thoughtful touch is the downward-facing air outlet. Not only does this keep the design looking clean and subtle, but it also directs airflow back toward the body, helping with a secondary layer of heat dissipation. Even more interesting is the placement of the entire fan module on the back. Most phones with built-in fans have side vents, which often makes the noise more noticeable during use. That's one of the main reasons people hesitate to turn them on. With the Redmi K90 Max, the screen itself helps block the sound, making the fan much less distracting in everyday use. You can genuinely notice the difference. Redmi has also refined the materials and internal construction to reduce high-frequency noise from the fan. In quiet mode, the sound is minimal, and even when the fan ramps up to high speed, it stays controlled. Once the phone's temperature goes beyond 44 degrees Celsius, a hidden mode kicks in that pushes the fan to its maximum speed. You can manually enable the fan while gaming, charging, or even just using the phone outdoors in summer, and it prevents the device from becoming uncomfortably hot. On top of that, the phone comes with IP66, IP68, and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance, and both the air intake and exhaust are equipped with filters to maintain long-term durability. Overall, this is easily one of the most well-thought-out cooling fan implementations we've seen on a smartphone, addressing many of the usual drawbacks. Now let's talk about actual cooling performance. In our initial test, we pushed the phone hard with stress testing until it reached a peak temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, which is extremely hot. Then, with the fan running at low speed for just 100 seconds, the temperature dropped quickly to 41.7 degrees Celsius. Of course, this kind of result isn't just because of the fan. The phone also features a massive 6,000 square millimeter 3D ice-sealed circulating cold pump, which plays a big role in passive cooling and helps prevent heat buildup. All of this translates into stronger performance during gaming. In a controlled environment at 25 degrees Celsius room temperature, with screen brightness set to 200 nits and speed mode enabled, we tested gameplay on the Star Train map at 998p with very high graphics settings. Over a 30-minute session, the Redmi K90 Max delivered an average of 59.6 frames per second, with power consumption of 8.2 watts and a maximum temperature of just 44.9 degrees Celsius. Right now, that's about as good as it gets under these conditions, offering extremely smooth gameplay. If you switch the fan off, things change noticeably. Performance becomes more limited, frame rates drop, and the maximum temperature climbs up to 51.4 degrees Celsius. If you're interested in a deeper breakdown of performance, you can check out the full performance preview for more details. On top of its impressive cooling system, the Redmi K90 Max also packs a massive 8550 mAh battery and supports 100-watt fast charging. What's really interesting is how efficient it becomes with the fan in action. During the Star Train test, the phone used up around 10% battery in 30 minutes with the fan turned off. But once the fan was enabled, it only consumed about 2% in the same time, while actually delivering even better performance. With the device staying noticeably cooler, real-world usage clearly shows that gaming with the fan on is the way to go. Performance isn't the only highlight here. The K90 Max also comes equipped with Redmi's most advanced AI-powered dedicated graphics chip, the D2, combined with a 165Hz high refresh rate display. This setup unlocks ultra-smooth gameplay at up to 165 FPS in supported titles like Genshin Impact. When you switch on the intelligent frame interpolation feature from the dedicated graphics system, the frame rate is boosted to 165 FPS, making everything feel incredibly fluid. You can even activate 1.5K super resolution at the same time, which sharpens the visuals for a more detailed gaming experience. Touch responsiveness is another area where this phone really stands out. It supports 480Hz multi-finger touch sampling, along with an impressive instant touch response rate that can go as high as 3500Hz. This significantly reduces missed inputs and improves overall responsiveness. There's also specialized hot zone touch tuning designed for popular FPS and MOBA games, helping make controls more accurate and reliable during intense gameplay. When it comes to audio, the K90 Max features 1115x symmetrical speakers that create a balanced sound field, especially when you're using the phone in landscape mode for gaming or watching videos. It also includes Bose gaming audio effects, enhancing sound quality whether you're using the built-in speakers or headphones, particularly in shooting games where audio clarity matters. All of this contributes to a richer and more immersive sound experience. For voice input, the triple microphone setup works together with Bose tuning to filter out background noise like loud environments or laughter, keeping communication clear. As for pricing, the base model of the Redmi K90 Max starts at 2999 yuan in China, which is roughly £325 in the UK and about $440 in the US. Overall, the Redmi K90 Max is clearly built with gamers in mind. Its standout cooling fan pushes the Dimensity 9500 to deliver higher performance while keeping temperatures under control, resulting in a smoother gaming experience. The quiet operation of the fan adds to the comfort, and when you combine that with the dedicated graphics chip, 165Hz display, and improvements in touch and audio, you get a phone that excels in gaming from every angle. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!